OpenToonz. It is free and open source 2D animation software. Download, installation, setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Anyone your favorite browser. Open Google search box లో enter OpenToonz. Download. Enter key press. Official link second section లో display. opentoonz.github.io. Second link click. OpenToonz official web page complete display. Third option download. Click here to download section లో OpenToonz related tools display. Scroll down. System requirement supporting OS, Windows, users related options. Second one, Mac OS related supporting options. Check this system requirement. Mouse scroll up. First one, OpenToonz. Green color button, click. OpenToonz terms of use. Application related terms info display in box. Downloads section లో download for Windows. Second one, download for Mac OS. First one, download for Windows. Latest version v1.7.1. Green color button, click. Download section లో OpenToonz setup.exe file downloading process start. File size 55.1 MB. Wait and here few minutes until process completing. Completed process. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder లో OpenToonz.setup file display. Select mouse double click. User account control window లో OpenToonz setup.exe section లో first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Select setup language. Default English. Right side down arrow click. Select your convenient language. Default first one English set. First button OK click. License agreement window లో OpenToonz terms of use related info display in box. Bottom side first one option accept the agreement. Left side circle tick mark set. First button next click. Select destination location. OpenToonz application related files installation path display in box. Free disk space required minimum 355.1 MB. Second button next click. Choose destination location for stuff folder. Folder path display. Second button next click. Select start menu folder. Start menu folder name OpenToonz. Default set. Second button next click. Select additional task window లో additional shortcut. If you want desktop shortcut, easy access purpose and easy run the program. Necessary tick mark set. Second button next click. Ready to install. Second button install click. Installing. Please wait while setup installation. OpenToonz on your computer. Files extracting process start. Wait and here few seconds. Completing the OpenToonz setup wizard. Finish button click. OpenToonz application run. Window security permission. First button yellow click. Application related interface complete display. OpenToonz startup window లో new create any project. First one button create already created file. Re-edit purpose. Second button click and export folder. Third one new scenes. Click source name. Any one project related name enter. Chari Tech. Second one save in created file. Save location default path display. In case change the location, 3 dots button, click. Desktop, select first button, choose, click. Custom size, right side down arrow, click. Second one, select, and height and width, inches, and frame rate 30. Enter, click. Toolbox, type tool, select, enter any one text. Change this font color, right side. Level palette, section color, selecting. Font size, 100.